Hello students, today we are here to solve the exercise of lesson number 3, Force and Pressure. Standard 8, Maharashtra Board, and myself Mrs. Prachi Surdikar will explain you the exercise of this lesson. Please like, subscribe and share. Students, in this video, we are going to start with the question number 6, 7 and 8. If you want the answers of question number 1 to 5 of this exercise, you can click on the link which I have given you in the description box so that you will get all the answers. Now let us start with the exercise question number 6. The question is, the density of a metal is 10.8 into 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Find the relative density of the metal. Now you have to find the answer. Whenever you want to find the answers or solve such problems, always remember, first write whatever is given to you in the example. So what is given over here? Here the density of metal is given. So density of metal is equal to 10.8 into 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. And we all know that the density of water is always the same, that is 1000 kilogram per meter cube, or this 1000 we can write as 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Now we will apply the formula. What is formula used over here? Relative density of substance is equal to density of substance upon density of water. Relative density of any substance is the density of that substance with respect to the water. So we have written this formula like this. So now we will calculate. Relative density of substance is equal to, in the place of density of substance, we will put the value. What is that value? 10.8 into 10 raised to 3 upon 1000. 1000 means 10 raised to 3. 1000 is equal to 10 raised to 3. So the 10 raised to 3 and 10 raised to 3 will get cut and the answer will become 10.8. As it is the ratio, there is no unit to the relative density, and hence the relative density will be 10.8. Now let us move towards the question number 7. Question number 7 is, volume of an object is 20 cm cube and the mass is 50 gram. Density of water is 1 gram per cm cube. Will the object float on water or sink in water? So here you have to find the density first, because you all know, if the substance whose density is more than water will always sink in the water, and the substance whose density is less than water, that will always float on the water. So to find the answer of will the object float on the water or sink in the water, we have to find the density of that object. If that density of that object is more than the density of the water, then the object will sink, and if it is less, then the object will float. So let us try to solve it. Now first we will write the given. Volume of the object is 20 cm cube. What is the mass of the object? It is 50 gram. Now we will write the formula. I told you, to find out the answer of this, we have to calculate the density. So we will write the formula of density. So density of object is equal to mass of object upon volume of object. Now what is the mass given over here? It is 50. Upon, what is the volume of the object is given here is 20. So 50 upon 20, 0 zeros will get cut, and you have to just divide the 5 by the 2, and the answer will become 2.5 gram per cm cube. Now what is the density of water? The density of water is given to you, that is 1 gram per cm cube. Now we got the answer of density 2.5 gram per cm cube, which is greater than the water. So since the density of object is greater than density of the water, therefore the object is going to sink in the water, or the object will sink in the water. So this is the answer of question number 7. Now last question is question number 8. What is question number 8? The volume of a plastic covered sealed box is 350 cm cube and the box has a mass 500 gram. Will the box float on water or sink in water? What will be the mass of water displaced by that box? So now we will write the answer. Again, whenever we are solving such type of examples, we have to write first given. So what is given over here? Volume of the box. What is that? 350 centimeter cube. Mass of the box is 500 gram. So now we will calculate the first density to find the answer, that whether that box will float or sink. We have to calculate the density. So density of object is equal to mass of object upon volume of object. Density is equal to mass upon volume. This formula we have written over here. So 500 upon 350, we will get this by putting the values of mass and volume, and hence we will get the answer 1.43 gram per cm cube. Now we know that the density of water is 1 gram per cm cube and the density of water is box is 1.43 gram per cm cube. So the density of box is greater than the density of water, and therefore that box will sink in water. So this is the answer of the first part of the question. Now the second question is, what will be the mass of water displaced by the box? So we know that according to the Archimedes principle, the volume of liquid displaced is equal to the volume of the object. So volume of the object is 350 cm cube, and therefore the mass of liquid or the volume of liquid that will be displaced, it will be also 350 cm cube. So in this way we have solved question number 6, 7 and 8. Students, thank you for watching, and the exercise of next lesson we will solve in next video. Thank you very much.